the Dragonflies.
What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Kellen out here at Expona 2024. We're going to be exhibiting with our good friends from Fidelity Imports, showing off some of our favorite brands. In particular, Perlisten and Primare, a Swedish company. We use these at the Florida Audio Expo and have fallen in love. They really make quality components. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on the SP25, which is their processor. Without further ado, let's get into it.
All right, man. So again, this is the SP25 from Primare. Similar unboxing experience to the amplifier. You're going to have a nice little cover sheet there for the unit. This is the box on top. Holds some of the components here. So we have the power cable for the unit. We have a couple of antennas. We'll be pointing out where those go here in a second. We are going to be using that, so we'll keep that out. We're going to be doing direct live, so won't be using this microphone. We'll be doing something different here, and then I'll leave the remote and batteries out for now. Probably do this little 12-volt trigger cable as well. So I'm going to go ahead and steal the goodies that we're going to use for the show and lay them right here. And then I'm going to tuck this away and continue getting out the actual processor.
And this is the 35.2. We're going to be using two of these today to drive our Perlisten R5Ms.
Yeah, this is a great home theater pairing as well. I would say that is the primary use for Dreamedia. For these units.
We'll be doing a lot of surround
sound. We have some
sound.
other options if you're doing more of a two-channel setup. But if you're looking for some great multi-channel amplifiers, you're looking for a great receiver, great processor, something that's going to be a little nicer than your Denon Marantz before you get to that Trinnov level. This is an absolute spectacular option that has direct live, that has bass management, and just looks killer.
I know, the aesthetic, guys.
This is a great unit.
Oh, it's just so clean. Can you flip it around so we can see the
that's
connections?
the front of the unit here. Nice little tactile volume knob.
Yeah, and then here's the meat on the back, guys. As you can see, they do have their mic connection there, antennas, LAN, USB, PC, digital ins, HDMI outs and ins. They have eARC built in, enhanced audio return channel for Dolby Atmos, analog connections, as well as your line out, and then analog outs for separates, such as what we'll be doing today with the 35.2. Then over here we have two subwoofer outputs as well. You have IR in and outs and a trigger, and then just your on and off toggles. I have made videos on the SP25, and like I said, our reviewers have been really loving this product. The other all-in-one solution is the SPA25. If you want to type that into YouTube, we made a video on it as well. But really fallen in love with Primare, and excited to do a two-channel setup here at the Expona trade show here in Chicago today.
Yeah, this is going to be a killer setup, guys. We're going to be hard at work getting this stuff set up. If you are at Expona going to be attending, we're in room 1214, and love to see you come by, check it out, and listen to Primare. If this is the first time that you've never heard of this brand, you'd like to check them out, listen to Primare. And also got to give credit here. We're going to be doing the world debut of the R18. So this is going to be a sealed 18-inch sub with Perlisten in their R series. First time you can hear it. So we're
super excited,
to show
guys.
things off.
Cool. Well, that does conclude our quick video. We're shooting super raw and natural for you guys, trying to pump out the content quick on the SP25 from Primare. You can now purchase this unit on our website, or you can call and schedule a free video consultation with one of our specialists. We really like to get hands-on with our packages and hand curate options specific to your needs and budget to maximize the system performance. Well, that's all I got for you. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen with Dreamedia. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.
All right.